Yes, sir. Have you received
First
any
time
eggs?
eating balot.
No, sir. Can I have your
Put some
name,
asin.
please?
Salt.
Muhammad.
Very salty.
Very salty because of the salt.
Muhammad. And your last name,
That's
sir?
enough yung nosebleed naman. Eto na.
Bushra.
You open the balot.
Sir, I don't see your name in our schedule.
Just take it easy.
Ah, my bird.
Oh, there's a bird.
Mukha yan ka.
No? Ano, what?
Wala.
What did you say? What did you say? Oh,
Your surname is, sorry sir, can I have
what
your social,
what's
please?
the taste of balot? Very good.
3177241. Sir Muhammad Bushra.
Tanda na.
Ang tasting bird.
Yan na. Asin dapat may suka yan. Kaya lang hindi na nilagyan. Next time lagyan yung suka. Pero baka manghang eh. Lagay mo dito yung kuan.
Yes, sir,
Lagyan mo
you
asin.
are scheduled on
Eat mo lang
July
kasi egg yan. Yung egg. Yung yellow egg. Eat mo lang diretso.
Welcome, sir.
Sarap, di ba? Eat mo ah. Bring hands mo. Basa. Oh, eat mo na din yan.
Kaan ko yung bird.
Mm.
Lahat.
Pati yung matigas kung gusto mo.
Ano
Ang
yung
laki
bird?
yung matigas. Yung bird malit lang, kinain mo na nga eh.
Sarap.
Nakain mo na eh. Ang laki ng matigas. Wala na yun, matigas na. Ito, ito yung yellow. Tigas yan. Huwag na yan, tigas na yan. Ang laki ng matigas niya, kaya pala pinautang ni kuya. Kulang ako ng size eh.